What's the matter?
Oh God! Oh God! I'm gonna kill you! Ow!
What was wrong? Didn't you like the Oreo?
That was horrible.
What did it taste like? Don't you like Oreos?
Turn it off, please.
Take a bite. What's wrong?
It's mint.
What? What is that? What is it?
Mint.
What kind? Is it mint flavor? What does it taste like?
Mint.
Mint what?
Mint flavored. Oh.
Mint toothpaste?
Yes.
Is that yummy?
No.
Want to take a bite?
Get off.
April Fools! Did I get you?